The sun, Earth's primary source of energy. Though just a tiny fraction of the sun's energy actually reaches the Earth, the amount that hits the surface every minute is greater than the total amount of energy that the world's human population consumes in a year. To harness the power of the sun is to harness a virtually unlimited source of renewable, efficient, and clean energy. Power Solutions of San Jose can put that power to work for you. With over 10 years of experience in the alternative energy industry, Power Solutions provides the best solar electric solution available to help you become independent of the electrical grid. If you've only just been thinking about solar, now is the time to act.
Alternative energy is our way of life, is our commitment to the environment.
We wanted to see if we could reduce our carbon footprint here.
I think ultimately we realized that if you have the ability to put in a solar system, it's almost like doing some social philanthropy, if you will.
Panels are here. There's 34 of them, and they're arranged in such a way as to ensure they get the maximum amount of sun during the day and during the year.
The panels produce DC current, direct current, and you can see a couple of boxes which are the places where the panels arrays are tied together.
Basically they all connect into a box that's over on the other side here. The two grids are basically set up going into the box here.
The power coming from the panels comes into these two inverters, and this is where the power is actually converted from DC power into AC power and alternating current. That's then connected back up into the main system.
The panels, it'll tell you exactly how much power you're generating for the day, cumulative power and the actual power you're generating today, at this time. So right now, each panel's put out almost 8,000 kilowatt hours.
Power Solutions gave us the option of having a web monitoring for the system that did two things. It allows them to monitor the system so that if there's any interruption in power, they'll know that and they can immediately pick that up and come out and deal with it. But it also gives us the ability to monitor our own power output. We actually have our own site where we can see our own power usage. It's a nice additional reminder to us that we're not just producing power for ourselves, we're producing power for the entire system and for everyone around as well.
We take whatever we need, and certainly at night we pull from PG&E, and then we sell back our excess during the day when we've got the solar coming in.
I think certainly as the year goes on and the days are longer, we'll get to the point where we clearly are going to be generating more power than we're using. So that, again, I think over the course of the year, we'll probably be close to neutral in terms of what we generate versus what we use. It's even fun right now to look at the meter and see the meter spinning backwards as we're producing power during the course of the day.
We had it 1 year now, and it exactly met our expectations in terms of what we would get back out of it.
At the end of 1 year, we actually owed $16 for the whole year.
It was July when we had our peak month. That bill ran $750. I looked at the 2007 bill for July was $19 with the solar system hooked up.
Power Solutions provides the best solar electric solution available. We can help you with a turnkey project for your home or commercial business. Visit solutionsforpower.com or call us today for a free site inspection and see how large your rebate can be.
Power Solutions, we emphasize, energy conservation as well as alternative energy. But we also distinguish ourselves for providing, excellent service.
Power Solutions did a really good job all the way around in terms of the initial conversations, the explanations of the process, the proposal, the follow-through on the paperwork, just top-notch all the way.
I felt that they were very honest and very straightforward, and there was nothing hidden in everything that Jose presented at the beginning. It was pretty much exactly how it played out.
They were on time, that they actually showed up and did what they said. We knew they were going to take a few days. Everything worked perfectly. It was right on schedule. How often does that happen these days?
When you sign a contract with Power Solutions, you're signing for a turnkey project. A turnkey project, the way that we see it, is that the customer needs to do nothing.
Jose at Power Solutions did most of the interference for both actually getting all the permits and running it through the city, as well as all the pieces with PG&E.
Power Solutions took care of all of the interface between the state and us.
They were able to successfully lobby for higher rebates for larger projects, and they were able to get that in writing before we started our process of installation.
If someone asked me, and they did, people called me and asked me for references, and I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, he's a 10, and I would probably never give that to any contractor I've ever dealt with before.
Power Solutions provides the best solar electric solution available. We can help you with a turnkey project for your home or commercial business. Visit solutionsforpower.com or call us today for a free site inspection and see how large your rebate can be.